pure, crystal clear, gentle. But what did the Virgin Mary's voice truly sound like? When Mary greeted Elizabeth, something extraordinary happened. The child within Elizabeth, John the Baptist, leapt for joy. Not only because Jesus was near, but because of Mary's voice. A voice so filled with grace that it carried the presence of the Messiah himself. Imagine it, the softness of a young woman mixed with the wisdom of heaven. A voice capable of awakening hope, healing wounded hearts, and drawing souls closer to God. Mary's voice was not simply beautiful, it revealed the holiness of the one called the All-Holy. And perhaps, to hear Mary speak was already to hear an echo of heaven itself.